So welcome to 13 Clyde Avenue. This is our new property Hicks Hadley are putting online. Just take you through the house now. So it's a 3-bedroom detached property. Heading up downstairs, heading into the lounge diner. So a really lovely size, this open plan lounge diner. And just show you out of the patio door into the garden. As you can see, really good size, low maintenance, nice and flat as well. You've got a really handy storage cupboard here. And if we carry on through into the kitchen, as you can see, it's extended, it's really long. There's loads of room for appliances and storage, things like that. And we've got a little handy utility area, which leads on to a downstairs toilet. And there's also a side access there as well if you need it. And then we'll carry on upstairs. So carry on round to the master bedroom. It's got a handy little storage hole there as well. And then if we go into the second bedroom, we can have a look at the lovely views out the back window as well, as you can see. Very private, this one. And some nice views in the distance. And bedroom 3, which is also a really good size. And also, again, has a really good size storage closet there too. Look out on the front as well. As you can see, there's no house directly opposite. Again, adding to the privacy. And last but not least, the bathroom. Obviously with a corner bath, nice big window at the back there. And a shower as well in the corner. So that pretty much concludes the tour. This is 13 Clyde Avenue. 3-bedroom detached property. Please give us a call 0121 585 6667 if you wish to view. Thanks then.